So today I'm working on the Princess Elf. I've already made 5 other shirts and I'm gonna show you how I cut it out. Everything's already pre-made. I already decided which colors I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna start with eliminating this red, and I normally use the background to see how the shirt is going to look with the rest of the colors. So the shirt that I have chosen for this is red, and that's what this square is representing. Since that's not something I want to cut out, I am going to hide it. I'm going to click this little eye and hide it. Hit everything, so I just cut just that for right now. So I'm going to go here and I am going to weld it for the moment, and then I'm going to make it. And now it's already there for me. So now I'm going to mirror it, and then I'm going to continue. So what I've been using is holographic iron-on to cut it. Now it's ready. And now I'm gonna click. And now it's done. The hat border and the booty border, I'm gonna cut them white. I am using this beautiful, like a white rainbow glitter. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna mirror it again. And that was glitter iron-on. Cut everything first and then weed it and then iron it. Mirror it. And my vinyl is everyday vinyl. And we're gonna hit fast mode so I could cut it faster. And that's done. Now we're gonna take it out. So now I'm done with and I'm gonna cut these little dots, the hat and the edges, the booties. So I'm gonna cut those. This nice colorful wine. I only have pieces of it. I don't remember where I bought it, but it's so nice when the light hits it. It's beautiful. It looks like Christmas lights are lit. The mirror is on, and this is holographic vinyl in here. I'm gonna show you Princess, how it came out. I did that earlier. This is what it looks like. Right there. It came out really nice. And the nice thing about this vinyl, which is what I like about it, is when you take it off. You have to take it off when it's warm. It gets all crinkly when you take it off. It's not nice and smooth. It gets crinkly. It looks so cute. Thing that I did do off the camera is snowflakes or glitter vinyl that I used for the bottom of the hat and the top of the socks, which is nice and shiny. I put some around on this shirt because it seemed to me like it was a little plain, and it looks so cute. Can't wait to show you those 6 shirts I've made. And like I said, they're for my sister and her family. And those are their Christmas morning shirts. Now I'm going to save it. And now when I go back to my projects, it's right there. I can see it. So now I'm going to get out of here. You can see me while I'm weeding. I don't like to waste. Wraps are good. They work for other things. And there you go. Is the I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna trim it. And there's a piece that's still there, so just do this, pull it out here, from here, and here. And this is the part I need, that's excess, and here we go. Now I'm gonna lead this, and there you go. Or the design of the hat. And then in this one, I can trim right up here, cut it around, weed this one, which is going to be the easiest one to weed. Look at how easy that was. There goes my little elf. And then everything's just gonna fall right into place. And with that heat machine to take out the moisture out of the shirt. So for a few seconds, and I'm done. The neck with the arms and underarm section of the shirt. Put them all together and I fold them. Fold the shirt in half to make sure everything's even. For a second. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it and grab the underarm and the edge of the shirt and fold that in. It's gonna look like that. See what that does into my heat press, and then I'm gonna fold that. What that's gonna do is gonna give me a center line. There goes my center line right there. I folded it in half. Now I have a center for my shirt. Now start putting my design on here. It could be 3, it could be 4. It's up to you. So I'm gonna put it there. Almost 4 fingers. I think it looks pretty straight to me. I'm gonna press it. 2-3 seconds, let peel it right off. And the only reason why I'm doing it for 2 or 3 seconds is because I'm gonna do a few layers. And I'm gonna take this design, and there you go. I'm gonna take this one, and there. So now when I go back to looking at my design, to make sure that when I put things or how they were in the picture. Go there. That one right there. Goes right here. And this one goes right. And there you go. And then now I'm gonna go and cover it back up. And now I can start peeling these guys slowly, and then slowly here. And they're coming right off. So, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. Comes right off. And there you have this one that go on the edge of the socks. And there you go. There. Do it again. I can peel right out. There you go. It's on there. And now we're gonna peel this one. Put this here. And put you right about here. Actually, I'm gonna make that one smaller. Or this one, so you go right about. I'm gonna put that one there. Hit it. And then we're gonna peel right off. And here goes Princess. We're gonna and then I'm gonna show you this. And we're gonna peel it. Now look at that effect. It's like a nice effect that it gives it when you peel it. Look at it. It's missing one more snowflake right here. And there we go. Out. That one is done. One last dot. So tiny, we use some tweezers. And put that right there. So let's let it cool off a little bit. Try to peel it off. And there we go. Now I'm gonna give it 15 seconds. There goes the shirt.